Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video we are going to be talking about the best data recovery software. So if you are looking for a software to recover your deleted data, deleted images, videos and audios and many other things from your Windows, then this video is absolutely for you. So let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to tell you some good features of this software. Then I will tell you from where and how you can recover your deleted data. So let's start our video. Okay, so first of all, as you can see that this is the software I'm going to be talking about today, Tenorshare Ultdata-Windows data recovery. As you can see that recover 550 plus files on Windows without risk. I've used so many data recovery softwares, but so far this is the best data recovery software. But let me tell you that this software is not free. You'll have to pay to recover your data using this software. So first I'm going to tell you some good features of this software. Why am I recommending this software to you people? Then I will tell you how you can recover your data using this software. Okay, now if you look at the pricing of this software, like you can see that you can get a 30-day money-back guarantee and free customer support and lifetime free updates if you buy a one-time license. Like you can see that 1 month license for $45, 1 year license for $49 and lifetime license for $59, and you can get more choices from here, 2 to 5 PCs and many other choices are here, and you can just customize your demand using this form. Okay. And the best thing about this software is all of the customers are so happy. Like you can see that they've got 4.8 stars and all of the customers are so happy. Okay, like here you can see that good news for you guys. This tool helped me to find my 1-year-old pictures. So now I'm going to tell you how you can recover your data using this software. So first of all, you'll have to buy this license. Okay, so let's say I want to buy 1 year license. So I'll have to click on this button, buy now. And the good news is you can get a 30% discount if you use the coupon code I'm providing in this video. I will be sharing the coupon code in description box, so you can just apply that coupon code in this form and you can get a 30% discount. Okay, so as you can see that redeem coupon code, so I'll have to enter my code here. Okay, now click on update. Okay, now as you can see that I've got a 30% discount. I've got a discount of $14.99 and now this software will be for $34.96. So now you'll have to fill this form using your details and credit card details, and then you'll have to click on this buy now button. Okay, after purchasing this license, then you'll have to click on this free download button. So then this software will be downloaded to your computer. Okay, so click on this button. Okay, now as you can see that, okay, I've already downloaded, so no need to download it again. And then you'll have to open this software. Okay. Okay, so now you'll have to select a location to start data recovery. You can scan your hard drives, you can scan external drive, and you can scan common position like desktop, documents, downloads, and recycle bin. Okay, so let's say I want to scan local disk D. So I'll have to click on this scan button. So let's wait for some time. Okay, now as you can see that here my scanning has been completed and 5,000 items are found. So like you can see that pictures and many other folders, my deleted folders like pictures and other things, they are recovered. Now I can just recover my file using this software. Okay, so as you can see that my deleted videos and pictures and my softwares and many other things are there in this recovery software. Okay, before recovering, first of all, I'm gonna enter my license email and registration code here. Okay, so if you haven't bought it yet, then you'll have to go to this website and then buy your license to recover your data using this software. So now you'll have to click on this register. Okay, registered successfully, so I'll have to click on this OK button. Okay, then I'll have to select the folders I want to recover using this software. So I'll have to, so I'm going to select some folders using this tick button, and then I'll have to click on this recover button. Okay, so then I'll have to select a location. So I'll create a folder, and then as you can see that recovering. Okay, it's great, recovery completed. Click open, and then I will click on this open button, and there you go. So these are my recovered folder using this software. So this is the best recovery software. I'm gonna recommend you this software because so far this is the best recovery software I have used to recover my deleted data. So that's all for this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then do it now so you won't miss my videos in future. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.